Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect happy plugs. First, make sure your happy plugs are fully charged to avoid interruptions during setup. Next, identify the pairing button or touch control area on your specific model. This is crucial for initiating the connection. Finally, keep your audio device, like your phone or tablet, very close to the happy plugs, within about 3 feet, to ensure a strong initial signal for successful pairing. To begin pairing, open your device's settings and turn on Bluetooth. Then, place your happy plugs into pairing mode. This often involves holding a button for a few seconds until an LED light flashes, usually white or blue. Once in pairing mode, your happy plugs should appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices on your phone or tablet. Simply tap on their name to establish the connection. If you encounter connection issues, a quick fix is to toggle your device's Bluetooth off and then back on. For more stubborn problems, consider resetting your happy plugs to their factory settings. Consult your user manual for specific instructions on how to do this. Also, confirm that your happy plugs are not already connected to another device, as they typically only pair with one at a time. To keep your happy plugs performing optimally, regularly clean them with a soft, dry cloth, especially the ear tips and charging contacts. Always store them in their charging case when not in use. This protects them from damage and ensures they are always ready for your next listening session. For an even cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. This helps maintain their longevity and sound quality.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.